Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna continue working on my 2013 Ford F-350, and my plan is to pre-assemble everything that I could in the cab. I got the drilling bit for my circular blade so I can drill out the holes on the cab. But before I do that, something I've find out, and I was actually freaked out how much it is. That is side mirror. It is $550 from a junkyard, used in bad condition, and even that with that price, our local junkyard don't have it. And plus, I'm not willing to pay $550 for used mirror for one. If you go to dealer or aftermarket and you're trying to locate the same exact one, it's anywhere from $600 to $1,000. Dealership actually $1,100. Anyway, that's not something I'm willing to pay, and I already took one from a driver's side apart to understand what's going on over there, and I already take this one apart slightly. So everything is pretty simple over here. What am I gonna do is, I have other side mirrors that came off of my parts truck, which is manual, no power at all whatsoever, but internals looks the same, except the back section that over here, it's a metal behind it, actually aluminum, but it's not a plastic. And this piece over here I was gonna be able to replace from the manual version. And also I bought myself a new side mirror, passenger side, which is manual also, but with the turn signal. So basically I need it for housing. I'm gonna use it as a parts for housing. And I got the driver's side from eBay, which is painted, and it got this it got the piece that broken over here, which is not a problem. And because of that, I'm gonna have to take this side mirror apart so I can paint the block, so the mirror is gonna be matching at the body. Now let's take this apart, replace the parts that I need to be replaced, and basically try to fix this mirror and see if it'll work. So I reassemble my original mirror with the spare parts. I already went ahead and screw it in back on the door and connect it. Now what I have to do is find the wire over here and connect this thing that controls the mirrors, and see if that mirror will work, if it will extend, fold it in or not. It looks like it's supposed to do that, but we'll see. Let's get this connected and see if that works. If my theory is right. Skeleton is back. So now let's see if that skeleton will work. First, I need to get this plug out because I can't reach it to it. One connected, another one is connected. That's it, everything is connected. Now let's turn the ignition. Ignition is on, everything works. Okay, let's see. I don't know. It doesn't work. This works. So I did figure it out why it wasn't going in or going out. I had to replace, there's a roller and there's a spring. The one from the manual one, it's thinner and it's a lot heavy duty one. The one from my, it's thicker and well, actually it's wider and it's a lot softer. So now you can see mirror folds in, folds out, and this tilt in all the way. Now you can see it tilts out. So now everything works. That's good. Now what I have to do is just wait for the other one to show up so I can disassemble that one and completely paint the both sides, and those mirrors gonna be color match with the truck, which I think is gonna be looking awesome. Now let's start drilling these holes on the cab so I can install the cab lights. Alright, before I will drill out the holes in my cab, what I want to do is cut out this section over here so I can just put it on top, mark it, and drill the holes. I think this is gonna be easiest way to do it for me. I'm done installing the cab lights, amber lights, or I don't know, whatever you wanna call them. I'm not gonna install the covers for now because they're yellow and I wanna tint them slightly so they look dark. It kinda matches the truck and everything. They're not gonna be completely dark, they're gonna be slightly tinted to black. I don't know how far dark I'm gonna go. I will decide that when I'm gonna be painting them. Man, check this mess out. One door, the hole is cut out. Another door. So all 4 doors I had to cut out those kind of pieces. So I can mark my holes where they needs to be drilled out. You can see. Now I need to move those doors outside, and it's raining currently. Then what I have to do is just bring the old headliner. I need to swap the wiring on the headliner because this headliner have this much wires and my original headliner had a lot more wires than this one had. And it's pretty good thunderstorm going on behind me. Anyway, let's get the original headliner inside and figure it out how I'm gonna run those wires on the new headliner that I just painted. That's it, I'm done swapping out headliner wires. I also went ahead and cut out the hole and replaced this speaker. I believe this is the speaker that connects to the system, and when you're talking so people can hear you better. I think that's why we have this speaker. But other than that, everything looks good. Now let's start installing this. Guys, before I can install this middle piece, I need to go ahead and basically, again, same problem. This is mine. One side is missing, and this one over here is broken. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna use one of those. I'm gonna take it out from here. I'm gonna paint it. Luckily, I have some paint left, and the rest of those parts I will use, get it from here to install it here. And also, second thing that I have to fix is sun visor. This piece on mine is broken, so I'm gonna have to take this piece out, paint it, and install it over here in order to move on the interior and basically tackled almost all the way. But there's another thing that I'm missing. I can't find it from Parts Truck. This clip, the sun visor clips into. So that's something I'm gonna have to dig more. But for now, let's figure this issue out, and hopefully no more hiccups gonna be after that. That's it. I'm done installing all trim, seat belts, all screwed in, everything done. So basically right now I'm ready to go ahead and install the seats. I'll start with the back one. We'll install the back one first. Then I'll move to passenger, middle section, and to the driver, because I don't have enough space from this side. And another thing is, I need to clean out everything off of here, vacuum, and then after that I can install the seats. Let's do that right now. That's it, guys. Completely done with the interior. Actually, I should say almost completely done with the interior. I still have to install 3 windows and adjust the speedometer so it's right miles, and I can assemble this area. But other than that, this truck is looking awesome. As you can see, everything looks good. Lights working, no difference in color. You can see everything looks good. Like I said, only this part left to do, and interior basically is complete. It feels really good sitting in the truck. That is complete. Now I have to install the windows, and I'm kind of debating, should I do it myself or should I just pay to somebody? They're gonna come over, bring the windshield and install it, and while they're here they can install the back glass. I don't know, I'm still deciding what I wanted to do. So at this point, that's it. Nothing I can do any further on this truck because I don't have those windows. I ordered, it's on the way here. It should be here in a week or so. It's coming from Florida, so it'll take some time before it gets here. But other than that, I'm happy. It's finally almost done, just a little bit left. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at SalvageMasterV to see inside scoop there before YouTube. And I'll see you next one.